Hi everyone, welcome to Jetersblessings. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Today is a collaboration with Melissa Makes It DIY and DIY Savvy Mommy. Today's going to be a pretty quick and simple DIY. I'm making a bird bath with a couple of Dollar Tree candle holders, these blue marbles, a set of bowls. They came in a 4-pack, and a bird. All that came from Dollar Tree. So here, just for video purposes, I am going to use the hot glue, but typically you can use like E6000 or some type of quick bonding adhesive. So I'm actually going to show a couple of different versions of the birdhouse. With this one, all I'm going to do is actually just hot glue the bowls on top of the different candle holders. And then I'll take the marbles and place them in each of the bowls just to give it the water effect. And then all you gotta do is place the bird either inside the bird bath, or you could actually glue it onto the ledge of the bird bath, which I'll show you a view of both of those in just a minute. So here's the two, plain and simple. I didn't repaint the white one because it was kind of scuffed up, had black scuff marks on it, so it kind of looked a little bit distressed for those that like the distressed look. You can also add a little bit of twine or anything to those to make them a little more dressed up. But for me, I just wanted a simple bird bath that would imitate what I have outside. And then this one, I actually painted it all white, where it's just the white chalk paint on both. And then here, I'm giving it a distressed look with my antique wax paint. And this is to kind of show how it would be outside. I mean, obviously a bird bath outside is going to get dirtied and weathered and stuff. So that's what I was trying to give that effect on this one here. And this is actually the final product and what I'm gonna use and keep in my house. You can actually paint it any color that you want, but I chose white because a lot of my decor is white, gray, and black. So I really thought this was a cute, quick, and cheap project. So very easy for you guys to do. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.